anong tawag sa mga yun? Mga abnormal breath sounds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Madali na paano mo sa mga hands mo? Ayan, ano tawag sagot? Adventitious breath sounds. So, abnormal. Adventitious. Yun yung general term sa lahat ng abnormal breath sounds. So, isulat, adventitious breath sounds. Okay? Nag-get nyo? Ano ulit ang mga general term for abnormal breath sounds?
Adventitious breath sound.
Okay!
Hooray! Hooray!
Kumanong ka, Dexter. Ito, tanong ko yun, Dexter. Oo. Ay, minsan mo kita akong pumunta. Kumuha ng kapalit mo. Kailangan kayo kapalit. Okay, ito. During inspection of the vaginal instrumentus or your vaginal opening, you note a white cottage cheese-like discharge that has no odor. You suspect the patient to have may white cottage cheese-like siyang discharges sa kanyang vagina. Ano yun?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano ang sagot?
Hindi Korea.
Candidiasis. Yes, cheese-like, cottage cheese-like that has no odor. Ano ulit yun?
Candidiasis.
Okay. Go! Correct. Ano group mo? Group mo? Hindi niya maalam. School is oriented.
Agio.
Okay. 1 point. Ngayon, kapag nagkamali ka pangalawa, out ka na. Okay? May second chance ka pa dahil nasagot mo. Go! With order with which low set tears are associated. What?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano tawag sagot?
Down syndrome.
Okay, Down syndrome, goodbye, go down. Okay, next. Skip for Lou. Skip for Matt. Seven.
Hooray!
Seven.
Hooray!
Hooray. Ano yan? Ma-out ka. Ano niyo? Okay, next.
Seven. These assessment finding in the breast indicates the presence of mass or tumors.
Yeah.
Hindi.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Ano tawag sagot? Dimpling. Mass or tumor. Dimpling. Bye, Bruce! Okay, straight line si Casey. Ano, parang wala, no? Okay. Ganun lang siya. Talagang expert. Go! Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Goodbye! Goodbye, Debs. Okay, next. Hooray! Okay, nandiyan ako sa loob ko, diba? Sino sa ano, handa sa laro nito? Oo. Pwede na si Edward po at saka si Isko. Wow! Sige na. Okay, Edward po muna. Okay? 5, 6,
Hooray.
Pepe. Hooray. Pepe. Hooray. Pepe. Okay, game na ah. Hooray. Pepe. Game. Ay, second go. Hooray. Pepe. Hooray. Pepe. Hooray. Pepe. Wala na. Game. O, ito na lang. Loud rolling vowel sounds. Loud rolling vowel sounds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano daw ang sagot? Corporating. Ayan nga, okay. 5. Madali lang, sagot. Okay, game. Hooray. 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 Oh, ito. Sana. Percussion tone elicited when one taps over the liver area. Anong sound ang maririnig mo kapag na-percuss ka sa liver area?
4, 3, 2, 1.
And, bali, at nasagot? God. Goodbye. Ever go, ever go.
Yan.
Okay. Hooray. Hooray.
Hooray.
Glucose discoloration of the skin caused by increased amount of reduced hemoglobin. Glucose discoloration of the skin caused
Cyanosis.
cyanosis ba?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, cyanosis. Wait lang. Anong group?
5. Ay, gitna niyo si
Isa na lang yung sinama. Out ka na. Okay.
Gitna niyo si Casey.
Game. Hooray. Hooray.
Happy.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Ako rin naguluhan. Sino mali? Tumakot mo na, walang tawa, tapos sinecheck ko, makakaliw. Isa pa.
Hooray.
Hebe,
Hooray. Happy. Hooray.
hebe,
Hooray.
hebe,
Hooray.
hebe,
Hooray.
hebe, hooray, hebe.
Hooray.
Dito. Okay, next. Yan. Wait lang. The respiratory rate less than 12. I'm guessing. Yellowish discoloration of the skin caused by increased bilirubin. Ano? Jaundice. Ano, girl? Anong group? 3. Yay! Hooray! Hooray! Oo, Pepe? Oo, ipabilisan mo, Pepe. Wait lang, out ka na. Goodbye, Casey. Ayan. Oo, kailangan isa lang pala nalo. Okay, game. Bye. Ito, kasama naman yung ano. Ayan. Basta dito, yung mananalo na lang sa ano. Ganun. Tapos may bonus question. Go!
Hooray.
Pepe.
Hooray. Happy. Hooray.